Are you looking for a fresh, creamy, and healthy salad recipe? This creamy cucumber, cabbage, and carrot salad is the perfect combination. It's quick to prepare, budget-friendly, and packed with nutrients, making it an excellent side dish or a light meal for any occasion. I'm starting with a fresh head of cabbage. I've already removed the outer leaves. Now, I will cut it into manageable pieces before finally shredding it. I like slicing my cabbage very thin because it gives the salad a softer texture while still keeping that satisfying crunch. Thinly sliced cabbage also absorbs the dressing much better, so every bite is packed with flavors. Cabbage is one of my favorite vegetables because it's affordable, easy to find, and incredibly nutritious. It's rich in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. After slicing the cabbage, I'll wash it with water and vinegar. Then I'll transfer it into a strainer to drain out the excess water. Next, I'll peel my carrots before giving them a quick rinse. I'll rinse the carrots thoroughly in clean water. Then I'll go ahead to grate the carrot. Carrots bring a beautiful natural sweetness to the salad while adding a vibrant orange color that makes the salad more attractive. Carrots are also an excellent source of beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A plays an important role in maintaining healthy eyesight, healthy skin, and a strong immune system. Now it's time for the cucumber. After washing it thoroughly, I'll peel it to remove the green bark. Then I will slice them in rounds. If you prefer, you can also cut it into small cubes. Cucumber adds an amazing refreshing crunch to salads. Since cucumber contain a high amount of water, they are great at keeping the body hydrated, especially during hot weather. Next, I will crack 2 boiled eggs, cut them, and add to the bowl of salad. Now, let's prepare our creamy dressing. Into a small bowl, I'm going to add mayonnaise. Next, I'll add some honey, black pepper, a pinch of salt, and olive oil. Now, whisk everything together until the dressing becomes smooth, creamy, and well combined. Pour the dressing over the vegetable. Gently toast everything together until every piece is nicely coated with the dressing. Take your time during this step because you want the dressing to be evenly distributed throughout the salad. And here we have it, our beautiful cucumber, cabbage, and carrot salad. Just look at those vibrant colors. Every spoonful is creamy, crunchy, and satisfying. This salad pairs wonderfully with grilled chicken, roasted fish, barbecue, and fried rice. It is also a perfect choice if you are looking for a light lunch or healthy dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to Nagai7 for more healthy, delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments how you make your salad dressing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next recipe. Bye bye.